Strategic human resource management and planning, in simple terms, involve aligning the human resource, HR functions, and processes of an organization with its overall strategy and goals. Here's a breakdown. Strategic human resource management. This is about using HR tools and practices in a way that supports the broader objectives of the organization. For example, if a company aims to be the leader in customer service, SHRM would involve recruiting, training, and developing employees specifically with customer service skills and attitudes that match this goal. Human resource planning. This part involves forecasting the organization's future HR needs and developing strategies to meet these needs. It includes assessing the current workforce, predicting future workforce requirements, and planning how to recruit and retain the right mix of employees. The aim is to ensure that the organization always has the right number of people with the right skills in the right roles at the right time. In the dynamic landscape of modern business, organizations are continually striving to gain a competitive edge and adapt to the ever-evolving market demands. One powerful tool that has emerged to drive this transformation is strategic human resource planning. This comprehensive approach to managing human capital aligns an organization's workforce with its long-term goals and objectives. It goes beyond traditional HR practices, encompassing recruitment, talent development, succession planning, and more. Strategic human resource planning is not just a concept, but a strategic imperative that top American companies have successfully embraced to thrive in their industries. Strategic human resource planning stands as a pivotal practice in contemporary business landscapes, offering a comprehensive framework that extends beyond traditional HR activities. This approach involves the meticulous alignment of an organization's workforce strategies with its overarching long-term objectives. At its core, strategic human resource planning aims to optimize the utilization of human capital to drive sustainable growth and innovation. In this strategic framework, the focus shifts from merely filling positions to strategically acquiring and developing talent that can serve as catalysts for organizational advancement. The process entails forecasting future workforce needs, identifying skill gaps, and implementing initiatives to bridge these gaps. It extends further to the realm of talent development and succession planning, ensuring a pipeline of capable leaders who can navigate the company through changing times. Successful strategic human resource planning requires a deep integration with an organization's overall strategy. It's not confined to the HR department, but rather involves collaboration with various departments to understand the company's strategic direction and craft HR strategies that complement and reinforce these goals. By doing so, businesses can foster a workforce that's not just equipped with the necessary skills, but also aligned with the company's values and mission. Moreover, this approach necessitates adaptability. The business landscape is dynamic, marked by technological advancements, changing consumer behaviors, and economic shifts. Effective strategic human resource planning accommodates these changes, ensuring that the workforce remains agile and capable of seizing new opportunities while mitigating potential challenges. Strategic human resource planning transcends the conventional confines of HR activities. It becomes an integral driver of organizational success by cultivating a workforce that's strategically equipped to steer the company toward its envisioned future. The case studies of top American companies underscore the transformative potential of this approach, illustrating its role in propelling companies towards sustained excellence. Jose Moya from Capicua says, "A successful strategic HR planning program encompasses a thorough understanding of organizational goals, a precise talent acquisition and development vision, and a proactive workforce management approach. It's about aligning HR strategies with the broader business objectives, creating a dynamic and agile workforce that can navigate change effectively."